Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get leather in Vrising. So in order to do that, first of all we'll need to kill the boss, and in order to kill that boss, let's open our blood altar, and right here you can get Keely the Frost Archer. It's this boss. Click track blood, and that way you'll see this blood mist and simply follow the direction that it's flowing from. But just a tip right here, then you can easily find her in a bandit trapper camp. She hangs out there usually. So now I'm just gonna head my way over there and simply get her. So I think the best strategy to do it early in the game is just to get all small units first. So simply kill them all in this camp, and after that find the Lily. She's right here, right now. I mean Keely, and we can easily get her at night, but there's a lot of shadow right here, so we can also do it without night. She does a lot of invisibility, so just wait your way there. And there's lots of cages with animals, and if you free them, they can either help you or actually also try to kill you, so watch out for that as well. Extract her blood by holding F button, and that way you'll unlock the tannery, and then we can go back to our main castle. Let me get to my horse, we'll go back, I will speed that process for you, and then we'll get the leather. So we're in our castle right now. Press B and get to production, then refinement, and you'll be able to see the tannery right here. It requires 8 planks and 160 animal hide. Some of the planks are easy to get in a sawmill, so get your sawmill, put some lumber in, and that way you'll get planks. After that, build the tannery, right, like it looks like this. Click F, and here put some animal hide in. It takes 24 seconds to make 1 leather. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.